Welcome to our Python Bootcamp walkthrough video. After completing our Python Bootcamp Unit, students with no prior programming experience will be able to master the basics of Python. So as you can see, our programming IDE is built directly into our assignments in Codio. We have what we like to call the three-panel layout. On the first panel, which is the left side of the screen, you will see our textbook. And then in the bottom right-hand corner, that will be the terminal panel. And that's necessary anytime you run a Python program that requires input from the user. And as you can see up here in the top right-hand corner, that is where we're going to actually be doing our coding in Python. Now, it's very simple to navigate this. You can just put your code in the top right-hand corner, and when you hit the Run Code button, it runs in the terminal window. So let's enter my name over here. All right, now, a couple of nice features about this is, let's go back up to the top, and let me add another print line up here. Let's say print, what's your age? And the reason I'm showing you this is because now if we come back down here and I run my program, it says enter my name, Jason, and then it says, what's your age? Now I can type clear into the terminal window to clear that as well, but a very nice feature that we have on our IDE is code playback. So if we go up to the program up here in the top right, I can right click on it and hit code playback. And now, as you can see, I can actually watch my students and what they're writing while they're coding. Okay, so this is a really, really nice feature for you as the teacher to check if they're actually typing their own code, or for students to be able to share projects with other students. So I'm going to take you through our Python Bootcamp strings assignment, and this is the teacher view. So you notice our purple teacher guidance boxes, which helps the teacher facilitate the lesson. We're going to move on to the next page in the assignment, and as you can see, it's a three-panel layout again. What I like about it is here we actually can click on the actual count, and we can actually see the method appear in the top right-hand corner. Okay, you can then click Run Code, and you can actually run that example right over there. So we have a nice feature where we have a lot of examples built in that then show up right in our playground. Now, we have a lot of assessments that we have integrated directly into the assignment. So, for example, here we have an assignment, and when we run the code, you see, as we are part of the University of Texas, it says Go Longhorns in the terminal window. Now, as the teacher, we always give you that solution right over here, so that you'll have access to the answers that you need. So let's just say I want to copy that. Now, here you notice we have a built-in auto grader. So notice if I click check it, it tells me that this is wrong because I haven't typed what I was supposed to type into my playground. Now, let me just quickly go ahead and paste in my code. And then when I type in the code, you notice that I check it and it's passed. So we have auto grade assessments directly in our assignments, okay? In addition to that, we also have obviously fill in the blank questions. We also have a lot of Parsons problems. So as you can see right here, we have a Parsons problem. Students are gonna have to readjust the code and try to make it correct. You'll be able to check it directly in the assignment. So these are all really nice features. They're designed so that the Python Bootcamp Unit can be collaborative, but also self-paced at the same time. And the student is going to get all the necessary skills in this bootcamp unit to master the basics of Python.